Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove search button on iOS 16. So let's get started. Here we are going to remove search option from home screen. First open Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on home screen option. On home screen settings page, you will find an option show on home screen with toggle switch under search section. Just tap on toggle switch to turn it off. Now if you go back to iPhone home screen, you will find that search button is now removed. You can re-enable it anytime by turning on show on home screen option. So that is how you can remove search button on iOS 16. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.